Burt Munro for 2021. We're proud to be a part of this iconic motorcycling event and supporting New Zealand motorcycling culture. So again, we've set up the Royal Enfield pop-up shop right next to Motorcycle Mecca in the heart of Invercargill. We'd really like to thank our New Zealand dealers for coming together to support this event. First European from Christchurch, MCR from Dunedin and Wanaka Powersports.
I'm Rick from MCR in Dunedin. We're down here supporting Simon and Royal Enfield with their pop-up store, meeting lots of exciting people and people are enthusiastic about the product. It's good to see our existing customers and hearing their stories.
Paho is te reo for whiskers for beardy. So Paho's my nickname, Paho's the bike. This particular classic and the colour, I fell in love with it. And I just get it out and about when the feeling is there and it's a nice sunny day, which we get at least 5 of down here, you know.
Just like the old school look of these Interceptors, you know, the real classic look about them. Everything is really accessible and they polish up well. I like keeping the bikes looking good.
The sound like nothing else. You look down here and there is so much exotic machinery, all top shelf and all loaded with electronics. This is back to basics and I love it for that reason. These are essence of motorcycles.
I'm all things classic bikes. This to me is just my ideal looking bike, to be fair. You know, I like the classic sort of British look.
Got the Intertracker 865 back here again. The bike stayed pretty similar to last year, back in its beach racing form with some knobbly tyres on it. Our only real change for this year is we've changed the forks in it, so we've gone to a full KTEC cartridge kit in the front end. Got a new rider this year as well.
Come out here to have a bit of a rip on the beach. First time here, just can't wait to take this beast down the strip, so looking forward to it. I'm a little bit speechless, to be honest. Just keep the pin down the straight, picked up and went at hauled ass. You know, the power delivery felt amazing, easy to shift. I don't know, the whole setup felt pretty damn good, eh? I'd love to have weeks on end on this bike. It's an absolute weapon of a machine. Cheers to Royal Enfield, Wanaka Powersports. You guys have been awesome.